63 goals and 52 assists from midfield in 137 appearances is a very healthy figure. This stat belonged to a certain Bruno Fernandes when he was plying his trade for the Sporting Club de Portugal before joining Manchester United in January 2020 and becoming their talisman. When Jorge Silas, the former manager of the Portuguese side, was asked about Fernandes' replacement, the answer didn't shock anyone. How do we replace Bruno Fernandes? We would need 3 players for that. There is no one like him in Portugal. Quite an honest answer, Mr. Jorge. Cut to March 2021, and someone in Sporting colours has scored 15 goals and provided 3 assists in 20 games. Have Sporting found their replacement that they were worried they will never find? Well, the numbers suggest so. Pedro Gonçalves, tipped by many as the next Bruno Fernandes, is backing up the claim with the performances on the pitch. Sporting would want the youngster to have the same impact as his predecessor. Born and raised in Chaves, Portugal, Gonçalves took his baby steps towards the beautiful game, starting off at a local side Virago and then Chaves. SC Braga came calling for the youngster, where he spent 5 years at the youth ranks, honing his skills before moving to a foreign country to continue his development, much like Fernandes. After spending 2 years with Valencia, Gonçalves signed with Wolves in summer of 2017, where he could only manage first team appearance once as a substitute in his 2 years with the club. Gonçalves returned back to his home country in search of more game time and was snapped by the newly promoted FC Famalicão, where he scored 7 times in 40 appearances in all competitions, which helped the club punch above their weight and end up being 6th in Portuguese First Division. It was enough to convince Sporting to take their chances on the youngster a year later. 9 months on, it seems Gonçalves could be one of the most hottest properties coming out of Portugal if he keeps up with his performances. Liverpool and Manchester United are already knocking on the door of Sporting to inquire about a potential transfer, with the Portuguese club already placing a 60 million euros release clause for the dynamic youngster. Only time will tell if he can become as mercurial as Bruno Fernandes, but as of now, it is safe to say the next Bruno Fernandes is in the making. If you like the content, please like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to mention in the comments below in which club you want to see him playing next. Thank you and have a great day.